Bitcoin Halving, a beginner's guide. Bitcoin halving is an essential aspect of the cryptocurrency's design and has a significant impact on its economy. In this simplified guide, we'll explain what Bitcoin halving is, why it matters, and its implications for the cryptocurrency ecosystem. What is Bitcoin halving? In the world of Bitcoin, a block is like a digital ledger page that records Bitcoin transactions. Miners, who are individuals or groups with specialized computers, compete to add a new block to the blockchain by solving complex mathematical problems. When they succeed, they receive a reward in the form of newly created Bitcoins. So, what is Bitcoin halving? It's a process that reduces the rate at which new Bitcoins are created. When Bitcoin was first introduced, miners received 50 BTC as a reward for adding a new block to the blockchain. However, every 210,000 blocks, roughly every 4 years, this reward is halved. Why does Bitcoin halving occur? Bitcoin halving is an intentional part of the cryptocurrency's design and serves several crucial purposes. Scarcity and controlled supply. Bitcoin's creator, Satoshi Nakamoto, wanted to ensure that Bitcoin had a limited supply. By reducing mining rewards, Bitcoin becomes scarcer over time, making it more appealing as a deflationary asset. Inflation control. Halving helps control inflation in the Bitcoin ecosystem. It reduces the rate at which new Bitcoins are introduced, maintaining its long-term stability. Economic impact. Halving affects Bitcoin miners and the broader market. Miners must adapt to lower rewards, leading to increased competition and the departure of less efficient miners. This can impact network security and decentralization. Price impact. Past Bitcoin halvings have often led to price increases. Expectations of reduced supply and increased demand have historically driven positive market sentiment. However, it's essential to note that Bitcoin's price is influenced by multiple factors. Why does Bitcoin halving matter? Bitcoin halving has several implications. Increased volatility. Typically, Bitcoin experiences higher price volatility after halving events due to reduced available supply. Media coverage. Halving events garner significant media attention, boosting Bitcoin's visibility. Rising interest. As Bitcoin scarcity becomes more evident, it attracts more investors. Inflation reduction. Bitcoin's inflation rate drops after each halving, making it more deflationary in nature. What happens after halving? Miners must adapt to lower rewards. To remain competitive, they may seek more efficient mining technologies. Additionally, increased adoption by businesses and institutions may drive demand for Bitcoin. When is the next Bitcoin halving event? The exact date of the next halving event is uncertain, but it's projected to occur around April 2024 after mining approximately 840,000 blocks since the last halving. This will reduce the mining reward for each block to 3.125 BTC. As the supply of new Bitcoins decreases, miners and the Bitcoin ecosystem will need to adjust to the changing landscape. To dive deeper into this topic, watch this next video we created for you. Click here and make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to stay updated with our latest content. Your journey into financial freedom begins here.